In this video, we will show you how to access discussion boards through both the content page and the discussions page in D2L, and create a post in a discussion board. From the D2L homepage, choose the course where your discussion post is located. In this example, we will be using the D2L Student Practice course. There are two ways to access discussion boards in D2L. We will show you both ways. The first way to access a discussion board is through the content page. Once you have the course's homepage open from the course where your D2L discussion board is located, select the content option in the navigation bar at the top of your course's homepage. You will then be brought to the content page where you can access the content of your course. Once you see the content page, look for the sidebar on the left-hand side. On the sidebar, you will want to navigate to the section in the course where your discussion board is located, using the drop-down arrows and scrolling until you see the post. Once you have selected the discussion board you want to open, you will then see either the detailed description of the discussion board, where you will then want to scroll down until you see My Work, and then select the blue Open Discussion button to open your discussion board. Or you will see the View the Discussion in the Discussions tool, where you will then want to select the Go to Discussions button to open the discussion board. The second way you can access a D2L discussion board is through the Discussions page. Once you have the course's homepage open, from the course where your D2L discussion board is located, select the Discussions option on the navigation bar at the top of your course's homepage. Then you will be brought to the Discussions page, where you can see all the discussion boards in your course. Once you see the Discussions page, scroll down and look for the discussion board you want to open. Once you have located the discussion board you want to open, select the title of the discussion board in blue under the word Topic to open the discussion board. Next, now that you've opened the discussion board you want to post to, we will show you how to make a new post to a discussion board in D2L. Once you are on the discussion board page, select the blue button labeled Start a New Thread. This will display the New Thread page where you can create your response. First, in the subject text box, you will enter the title you want to give your post. This could be what your post is about or your name. Second, in the post text box, you will type the contents of your post here. Third, in the drop files here or click below, you can upload any files like Word documents and Excel spreadsheets you want to attach from either your Normandale OneDrive or your local device. If you want to upload files from your device, select the Upload button or drag or drop any files you want to upload into the Drop Files here or click below box. If you want to upload files from your Normandale OneDrive, select the Choose Existing button. Then, on the Add a File screen, select OneDrive Files. You can also insert items from additional places like Kaltura Media Space or YouTube by clicking on the Insert Stuff button. For more help with using the Insert Stuff button, check out the Level Up Your Skills with Discussions board page in the D2L Student Practice course under Practice Using D2L, Lesson 2, Submitting Discussion Posts. Then, once everything looks good, you are ready to submit. Select the blue button labeled Post to submit your discussion post to the discussion board. Lastly, just in case you get stuck and need some help along the way, here are a few ways to reach out. First, you can give the Normandale IT Service Desk a call at 952-358-8181. Second, you can start your own ticket on the Normandale IT Service Desk service portal at services.normandale.edu. Third, you can send an email to its-servicedesk@normandale.edu to start a new ticket automatically from your email. Thanks for watching. Check out some of the other videos for more great tips and help from Normandale Community College.